Good morning, everyone. My name is Rajesh Thomas. I'm a barrister and a solicitor based in Dunedin, in New Zealand. I was admitted to the New Zealand bar during October 2010, and I started my own law firm, RT Law, which is also based in Dunedin, during November 2017. A part of my practice was always immigration, and I had helped people to migrate from different parts of the world. During middle of last year, which is 2021, a family who was living and working in Kuwait approached me for some advice regarding migrating to New Zealand. Both the husband and wife were working as nurses in Kuwait at the time. After the initial discussion, it was agreed that the wife would first apply for her registration in New Zealand, and then she will travel to New Zealand to do a competency assessment program along with the husband and their kids. So I started the process, and within 3 months, the family arrived in New Zealand with their kids. And then they went on, they finished the CAB, got registration, and I've also applied for their residency at this stage, and they're waiting for the residency to be approved. With this success, more nurses from overseas has approached me, and so far I've managed to bring in 10 clients to New Zealand with their families, and also more than 35 candidates are in various stages of processing who are still overseas. Now, what do I offer? Now, what I offer is a complete package from the point of applying to CGFNS for your decision letter to the point of applying for your residency. All the work in between, I will take care. Now, the question normally everybody asks is, what is the turnaround? From the point you engage me to act on your behalf, and if you provide me all the required documents on time, normally the candidate can reach New Zealand in 3 to 4 months' time. The 3 to 4 months' time is a time taken by CGFNS to do their processing and then to issue the decision letter through NZ Nursing Council, that is the New Zealand Nursing Council. Once I have the New Zealand Nursing Council's decision letter, I will then apply to one of the institutions which offer CAB and organize a CAB seat for you. As soon as the CAB seat is given to us, I can apply for a visitor's visa to bring your family along. And once you finish the CAB, then I will apply for your job visas and for your kids' relevant visas. And then once after that, after a month or so, I will apply for your residency. Now, in regards to my fees, I don't charge you any fees upfront. You can pay me my fees in 2 installments after you arrive in New Zealand and after I apply for your work visa. So normally I expect you to pay my fees after you get your work visa. The first installment after you get your work visa, and the second installment after I apply for your expression of interest for your residency. Now, the next question a lot of people ask me is, who can enroll into my program and when can I start my process? Now, the basic requirement for that is you should have an overseas nursing registration and with at least 2 years of work experience in the last 5 years. And most importantly, you also have to have an overall score of B in OET with a B in each band, or if it is IELTS, overall 7 with 7 in each band. Now, as you all know, clubbing is allowed. So someone who's got like 2 OET scores of B or 2 IELTS scores of 7 can start the process, but they should be able to achieve their relevant scores in order to complete the processing, the CGFNS processing. And as in regards to the work experience, if somebody has got at least 1.5 years of experience, can start the process, but the decision letter will only be issued after they complete the 2-year period. So if you have any further doubts, or if you want to engage me to represent you and to avail my services, please get in touch with me either through WhatsApp or through my phone or email or through any other social media. Thank you.